Ever felt like you're drowning in debt, with no idea how you even got there?
That was her story. $30,000 in the red. Credit cards, personal loans. The classic, "I'll sort it out next month." A lie she told herself over and over.
The nightly ritual was the same. Check the balance. Feel that gut-wrenching sickness. Vow to change. And then
Doubt to buy something she didn't even need.
this debt wasn't just a number on a screen. It was a heavy, suffocating weight. Sleep became a stranger, and hope felt like a distant memory.
Then she stumbled upon a simple truth that hit her like a lightning bolt. If you don't control your habits will control your life. That was it.
No more excuses. She started small, canceling subscriptions, packing her own lunch, and tracking every single dollar. It wasn't glamorous, but it was progress.
16 months later, debt-free. It wasn't a lottery win or some magic trick.
It was pure, unglamorous daily discipline.
And that's the real secret. Financial freedom isn't about making more money. It's about mastering what you already have.
If she could claw her way out, believe me, so can you.
Start small today, stay consistent, and get ready to watch your life transform. For more real stories and tips on your financial glow up, make sure you subscribe.
Thanks for watching.